What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to detect and try to convince the users that access your site that are using AdBlocks, okay? So we're gonna learn how to detect the AdBlock users and how to show them a targeted message asking to remove the AdBlock or add a permission for your site. Because if you run ads to get revenue on your site, you're gonna lose revenue if someone accesses your site without seeing the ads, okay? So it's bad for your profits, bad for your performance overall, and there is a way to deal with it, and it is what we're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose international sites' favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins, and click on Add New, okay? We have no needs to code following this tutorial, okay? We're gonna be installing an amazing plugin that is free, okay? So review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to the keyword, you're gonna see an option called Search Plugins, and type Add Matcher and AdBlock, okay? This guy right here. We're gonna click on Install now. What this plugin does, it automatically detects if the user is using some kind of ad blocks and show them a targeted message, for example, asking to remove that blog or adding an extension to your site, okay? So you're gonna be redirected to your plugins list on your WordPress website. As soon as you activate the plugin, you're gonna see this Add Matcher and AdBlock. Click on Settings into the plugin, and you're gonna be into this page right here. Once again, if you go to the WordPress dashboard, left sidebar, hover your mouse over Settings, and move to an Add Matcher, we're gonna be able to see this as well. So public ID, the settings, you can customize the pop-up, the message that is gonna appear for the users. You can optimize the ad placements automatically in the case that you prefer, and display close button in the case that you want or not, okay? So in the case that you only want for the user to see the message, you want to display the close button, so the user is gonna be able to click into the X button, read the message, okay? Click into the X button and then proceed to your site. But you can remove the option to see your site without removing the ads. This is set as no. I recommend that you set it as yes and give the user the option to remove that block, okay, without blocking your site. But it's up to you, okay? Now you're gonna be able to see a message on your site. So if you try to access this website right now with some kind of ad block, you're gonna be able to see this message. And of course, you can change the text. For example, ad block detection, you can change this, and you can change the message. Please consider supporting us by disabling your ad blocker. You can change this as well. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your WordPress website for free. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of the best free WordPress theme, go to our WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Themes, Add New, and search for Enzo WordPress theme. You're gonna be amazed about how many features this theme offers for free. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your site in order to receive guest posts, publish guest posts, connect with a blogging network community, just go to growthwithtws.net, submit your site, and be listed right here. It's completely free. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock access to our full templates library of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, or full support, premium icons, templates, design assets, and many more features. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!